Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This today topic is cadet college. The number of cadet college in Bangladesh is 12, 9 for boys and 3 for girls. The number of seat is 600. The names of cadet college are Fauzdari Cadet College, Jinaidoho Cadet College, Mirzapur Cadet College, Rajshahi Cadet College, Sylhet Cadet College, Rangpur Cadet College, Borishal Cadet College, Pabna Cadet College, Kumilla Cadet College, Moyminsingho Girls Cadet College, Joypurhat Girls Cadet College, Feni Girls Cadet College. That's all for the time being. Thank you so much for your kind attention. So everyone support me and follow my video and YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.